Окей. There is nothing. Давай. Теперь это камера там записывает. Давай. Now Jonathan is holding it. Take the water slowly and carefully inside. Good job.
I want more.
Убираем. Now we're gonna break the eggs.
Yes. I gotta have that more.
Let's do it slowly, okay? Wait a second. Wait. You'll do it with mommy. Wait. Wait. Come on. We open it. Right? Inside. Good job.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Now, come on here. Let's wash hands. The dirt.
Yes. Яички купили.
Так.
Где полотенце?
Вот. Сейчас я достану. Стой здесь. Так. Вытираем. Alright. Сейчас мы будем все вместе мешать.
Мами,
Давай. Hold it. And hold it. Alright. Мешаем. Slowly. Так.
It's good, Mommy.
Nice, right? Come on, do it. No, don't put your hands. It's very dangerous. It can hurt you. So we're not touching there, okay? We're touching only here and holding. Hold. Держи. Okay. И крути. Good job. Так.
А где яички?
Мы уже их сюда поставили.
But I want to see яички.
You're gonna see it. 1 second. Okay. I'm gonna give Jonathan, be careful, please. I'm gonna give a little cut.
So you can open
Yes.
the cupcake.
And Jonathan сейчас все высыпет inside. Давай, высыпь. Так, высыпил?
Что это?
Это мука, капки.
The cupcake.
Да. Давай я сначала помешаю потихонечку.
Can I make together?
Yes, you can make it. Come on. Потихонечку. Мешай.
Okay. Well, я мешаю. Can we do a little bit?
Да, мешай. Еще, мешай. Держи, как мама тебя учила. Держи кастрюльку с одной стороны. Да, с другой стороны мешай. Give me a big smile. A nice smile. Okay.
You come.
I'm coming. Alright, after we mix that, see? After we mixed it a little.
Yay, hooray, we did it.
Jonathan did it. Sorry. This is I'm sorry. I didn't hurt you?
No, it is. You hurt me.
I did. I'm so sorry.
Mommy, kiss my boo-boo on the finger.
Okay?
Yes, Mommy, I'm okay.
It's better now?
Yeah.
Okay, can we hold it?
Yes.
Давай, как мама тебя учила. С одной стороны держи, с другой стороны.
We can't touch that. It's gonna make your boo-boo. Mom, that's muffin. Mommy, it looks like macaroni. Mommy, it looks like macaroni.
Macaroni?
And chicken.
Can you hold it?
Yes.
You holding? Hold. Держишь? Держи. Alright. Mommy's coming to help. What happened?
Mommy, it's so hot.
It's hot in here, yes. Okay.
More. Wait.
We're almost done, Jonathan. We're
Yes.
almost done. Now, так, let's preheat our oven. Let's see, because everything is outside. Oven temperature to 400. Good job. Jonathan turned on the light in the oven.
Yes.
Okay.
So we're gonna put it.
Yes, we're gonna make them. We're gonna take a scoop of ice cream and put it inside each one of it, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna have an
Is that
Mickey Mouse.
Is that for you?
That's for me, for you, and for Daddy.
Yes.
Yes, we can take some to Grandma.
This is mine. Can I hold it?
Yes.
Okay.
Say bye. See you later.
Bye. See you later.